garlic aioli. Big fancy word. It's like a garlic mayonnaise is basically what that means. How to make that? Real simple. That you keep refrigerated is an egg. And I like to have a little bit of mustard in mine. In a Spanish cuisine, they may fuse it with a little saffron, or in some parts of France as well. I'm using raw garlic because this is a garlic aioli. If it was a roasted garlic aioli, I would roast the garlic. And then, you got a fork of lemon. Basically, G, please. You just kind of work it like this to loosen up the juices. And then what you do, basically, because the reason why you fork a lemon is that you might not need the whole lemon. So what you do is you make a little thing like this, you see? And then, obviously, I'm not making it for like the whole mess hall. I'm just making a little bit of aioli here. So I don't need the whole lemon. I just take a few drops like that. Perfect. You see that? Put it back in the refrigerator. All right. Now, basically, we're making an emulsion. This is just regular like vegetable oil, and you drizzle it in slow. And it'll get really, really thick as you want it, the more oil you put in there. Anytime now. Work with me, baby, work with me. And it'll get really, really thick like mayonnaise, like in about 6 or 7 weeks. No, I'm just kidding. It's happening right now. I can feel the love right now. You can't feel it, but I can. We're gonna add some artichoke hearts. Couple of jalapenos chopped up. Some Parmesan cheese. We add a little bit more ground pepper like this. And then I figured out, why not? We might as well add some parsley in there. Hilda will be happy now. You see that, guys? Toss that in there like this. But then what you do, you could take this just like this and bake it. Like a little casserole, eat it with crackers, you'd be happy. Oh yeah, I wouldn't lie to you, babe. I figured we'd put this on the garlic bread. Figured we'd just take a little bit of that artichoke and jalapeno and stuff. Oh yeah, we're just gonna spread it like that. Anyhow, I'm gonna make this kicked up artichoke jalapeno garlic bread. You can always like go back for the monster artichoke. Look at that. That looks unbelievable. I could eat like a half of one of those with like a good bowl or two of that. I'd be happy for like the day.